The most important thing for us when we're dealing with our clients is that they feel that somebody cares. You're going to come to us, we're going to help you, and we are going to make you feel, boy, why didn't I do this years ago?
There's nothing that gives me greater joy than see somebody who's been on the bones of their backside in trouble with debt rise, and with a new set of rules, move forward and attain a level of success that they couldn't even see before. I left South Africa in 1979. All I had was the clothes on my back. I had a 1-year-old. I didn't have a place to stay. I had money to last me for 2 weeks. But when we arrived in Canada, we didn't think risk anymore. We just thought success.
What immigration taught me is that if you believe in anything and you want change, the change is up to you.
I had worked for a few different trustee firms, and I felt that there wasn't a decent relationship between the client and the people who worked at the company. And one of the most important things is to take them by the hand and say, it's happened, it's over, things can only get better, and we are going to show you the manner in which it will get better. So it was that philosophy in which I decided to form a new company. That company was David Sklar Associates Inc.
What put David Sklar Associates on the map was David's understanding that a consumer proposal is a debt relief option many people suffering from debt don't understand or don't even know about. So he made it his mission with David Sklar Associates to educate his clients about all of the options available to them, including how to file for a consumer proposal in Ontario. When debt becomes overwhelming, a consumer proposal can stop interest charges, wage garnishments, collection attempts, and threats of legal action, and it can reduce your monthly payments to an affordable amount. Here's what you need to know about consumer proposals. You can take up to 5 years to pay it off. You don't have to lose your home or assets. And in Ontario, a consumer proposal stays on your credit record for less time than a bankruptcy. Now, because a consumer proposal is a legal arrangement, a licensed insolvency trustee like David Sklar Associates has to file the paperwork. They'll negotiate with the creditors on your behalf to find a payment solution that works best for you. They'll also explain how filing your taxes works when you filed a consumer proposal. So, let's make it easy. You qualify for a consumer proposal if you're employed, you can make steady payments, your debt is less than $250,000, and of course, you work with a licensed insolvency trustee like David Sklar Associates. Because of this, a consumer proposal can change your life in a positive way, and seeing Dad changing people's lives is what eventually led us Sklar children into the business. You saw the passion in his eyes, you saw the gratification that it gave him, and I was just always fascinated with that.
I mean, they're huge, amazing role models. I mean, they've taught us so much, not only in the business, just as being parents. And coming from nothing in South Africa to here in Canada, starting a very successful business that's helped thousands and hopefully thousands more.
Not only is this a family business, but with our staff. Our staff is part of the Sklar family.
The quality of our staff means that you've got yourself a partner moving forward in this new chapter of your life.
When we meet you, you're not going to be rushed in and rushed out. It's not just about saying, here's a bankruptcy, here's a proposal, here's the number. No. Who are you? Tell us a little bit about yourself. We're not looking at the watch.
What we pride ourselves in is really being able to connect with them on an emotional level.
We treat people the way that we want to be treated, not getting into, bad John for spending money. We're here to tell them that it's okay, tell them they have nothing to worry about, giving them reassurance that, someone's here to help me. I'm not in it alone.
The major difference between David Sklar Associates and any one of our other competitors is that regardless of your station in life, the same people get afforded the same level of respect.
Yes, we are a business, but it's a business with a big heart.